Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So we're just here at Swinton Bivouac, or however you say it. We're going to make our way to the Druids temple. So when you park up, which you park up over here, come over here. It is an honesty box, but they do want £3 for you to park or £2 for a motorbike. And they also have this for free eggs as well. Anyway, we make our way up here and towards Druids temple. So, let me tell you a few things about Druids temple. Although it looks ancient, it's actually not. It's less than 200 years old. With where it is though, it's still like really atmospheric and it does look very ancient as well. So this is the map, and as you can see we're here. This is where we parked. So the green one, the green path here, that's a permitted footpath and a bike track. You've got the new Jubilee walk here, and I think that's the one we're going to do today. Just as you walk on, you'll see that there's a load of like tree felling that's been going on. It's because some of the large trees that are here have got like this fungal disease. And the name of that disease is here because I can't even begin to try and say that. All these trees have been destroyed. Quite a few mystic practices have happened here, a bit of devil worship, and anyone who's like stopped here overnight, a few people have said that they've had like quite scary experiences. Okay, so we're here. It's here. Found this nice heart-shaped pendant, which is just here. Don't believe in curses or out like that, but definitely not touching it, just in case. So what I'm seeing in here is like 9 seats. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Whether they used to like eat in here when it was like raining or the weather was bad. And then you go out here, there's another seating area. So you've got 4 on each side again. You've got 1 here. Could be a seat as well. There's 10 seats here. You could include these as well. 11, 12, 13, possibly 14, 15, maybe 16. It is actually a table. Okay, so we've just had a look round the temple, and we're just going to have a look round the outside of it now. Okay, so before we go to the stone pillar over there, I'm just going to stand here and check out the views of the temple. Okay, so we're back here now at the front, and we're going to follow this path this way. There's a lot of felling that's been going on here. You see big like agricultural vehicles coming in and taking big tree trunks with them. It's crazy, all because of the disease that there is. There's not really supposed to be that much along this path. I think there's just like a bench at the end of here, and you've got a beautiful view of a reservoir. But we'll go and have a look anyway. We're going to head back now towards the Druids temple and back to the car. Okay, so that was the Druids temple, and we're now going to head back to the car.